Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Notion page to others. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in my workspace, as you can see, I have my workspace right here, settings and members, just head to that. And then from here you can copy the link so you can invite people so that they will be able to collaborate in your page in your workspace. So basically you're the web workspace owner, so you can do a member if you don't want to. So you can also do this, you can also do top right corner, share, enter their email. From there we just place a random email for here, so we just place one right here, so the email, and then here you have full access, can edit content, can comment, can view, and then invite them. Basically you will give them permissions basically to edit your page. It's just that simple. So there you go guys, this is how you share your page in Notion with others. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.